The Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP candidate from Sohiong, Sandondor Ryntathiang, had met reporters on the 25th of April 2023 to express his views on the upcoming Adjourned Legislative Assembly election in Sohiong Constituency, which has been scheduled for the 10th of May this year. Speaking on the matter, Sandondor Ryntathiang confidently expressed the fact that sympathy votes will no longer be a factor for the public to elect their representative from Sohiong Constituency. He further added that while we are in the age of coalition governments, yet the public should be wise and practical enough to elect a suitable representative who is firm on party ideology and one who would sincerely work for the welfare and development of the entire constituency.
Pitharai be kita kavut sausanai kanla ban penjob ya ukertong lani ka kertong haki election dak bangi ngijit ekonomi khamat dak jing snow dak batak emotion pikwa be kinok soyon ki jongi pin penyam bat bakin tab ya pikavut barok sansnem andaki kilalong ki mali pin khmi lenti ayu na kun kita jit ya unomi khamat dak lenti dak jing yit bnia dak jing start ke jing shampang khlang bu unla ban ai ke jing shakri ke bahani ke batam japi badai halor kata kanong rim kum ukertong kum kinong song sinong jong Sohiong Constituency hi barkwe jit yo nong mi khmat be start be shampang bla ban kren iki mat ki jura ki jong pi bat ubanam penpat ubanam penpra ya ke jingalong kawe ha ka constituency bat ka jat ban riu ke jongi bat ha ke jok opor klem da penmong klem da kan tho yan no ngiri ban long kum kita kibriu ki besai ban hikai kibriu sapang ka sensyar ka khadar ka khot ka suba klem da kan tho klem da tho pria yan no khandang ba kan long ru ka jing hikai nang ni sykhmat ba ka sensyar ka khadar ha ka jella ka jongi ba kala sedang da ka clean politics hang te po soyo nyimla ban ong ba ngin sensyar dalade jalade tang da ka wi ka political party la pipet hakiwi ki jella ru ngidon ya ka coalition government bat ha ka jella ka jongi ru haki senam ki berdep bar hadu ka ni kapor bar ka klimat ka pemerintah kaya baik ka coalition government tingim nak lakin nak kata